Hi viewers, welcome to TechJotters again. Today, our plan is to install rocm on Fedora 39. It is so easy. Previously, I installed it and configured it on Ubuntu 22.04. Today, I'm going to install it on Fedora 39 and I will show you how easy it is to install rocm on Fedora 39. Here, I have a fresh Fedora 39 installed on my computer. So let's first start with installing rocm on the system. So it is so easy. We just need to put this command sudo dnf install and then rocm-hip, then rocm-opencl, rocm-rpm and macros, rocm-runtime, rocm-smi and rocminfo. I'm going to install everything related to rocm. So let's get started. I need to put my password here. Sorry, my password is wrong. I'm sorry for that. Now it's good. So let's install it. So the main thing is how our rocm is already installed. Let's check with rocm-smi. So it is showing this and we can use rocm-info. You can see here its GPU is found GFX 1030, so it's working perfectly. So let's install Stable Diffusion Web UI and check if it is working perfectly or not. I will open another window here and put this command so that I can easily check this. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Okay, our rocm is installed, so I'm going to search Stable Diffusion Web UI. Okay, here I need to clone this repository. Okay, so I'm going to clone it. So git clone and install it. If you can see, we have a directory here that is Stable Diffusion Web UI. So I will go inside this. Okay, that's great. Now we need to install Miniconda. Installing Miniconda. We are actually going to install Miniconda on our system. Sorry, here it is. It's downloaded. So I'm going to the download folder. Miniconda. Press enter. Need to read this. I'm not going to read these things. Okay, so press yes. This location, that's fine. Yes. And that's all. Miniconda is installed. Let's check with conda. No. So I need to restart the terminal. That's it. Okay. I restarted my terminal and conda is here. So now we are going to install the requirements here. First, we need to create a conda environment. I'm going to the stable diffusion directory and conda create -n, that is name, sd python 3.10.6, and -y means yes, I want to install it. Create the environment and it's done. Okay, so I'm going to activate conda. Now I already installed it and I am in the stable diffusion directory. Let's check it. Here we have requirements.txt. I need to install all the requirements. So for that I will use pip3 install -r requirements .text. It will going to install everything needed for stable diffusion. It will take a little bit time, so I will fast forward this and I will be back when it's done. It's done. So installation is completed, but remember we installed PyTorch, but we need PyTorch rocm. So we need to uninstall PyTorch and PyTorch Vision, Torch Vision. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall it. It's uninstalled. I need to install the rocm PyTorch. So let's search with PyTorch. Here, Linux, rocm 5.6. Going to paste it here. And it is downloading PyTorch for rocm. Okay, PyTorch rocm version is installed. Let's check. Yes, it's success. So it is rocm PyTorch is working. Let's check the CUDA is available for rocm or not. It is true. That means it's available. That's great. Now we need to create the launch file. So before that, I don't know, people like to use nano and other things, but I really like gedit. So I'm going to install gedit here. That's great. I need to create a file with launch.sh. So let's create it with gedit because gedit is installed. Here it is. So I will put this here in the launch.sh file, and I also put this. I want to start it with API, and if I put it listen, then I can access it from local network. So going to save it. Let's check our directory. If we have launch.sh, it's done. So let's start. Now, the first time it will take a little bit time to start everything. So I will first forward this and we'll come back after everything is done. It is installing a model by default. So that's great. We can test it immediately after it is done. Okay. Stable Diffusion is installed. So let's click here with pressed control. So here is our default model and the Stable Diffusion UI. It's great. Let's create a simple image. Let's check it. And see, the GPU is 99%. So it is using GPU. That's great. And here it is done. We can generate again and let's check the GPU usage. Wow, that's fast. Let's generate it again and check the GPU. 99% and done. Wow, that's very fast. So that's all for today. We installed ROCm on Fedora 39. It's pretty easy and we checked it with Stable Diffusion ABY, and Stable Diffusion ABY is using GPU and it is generating image pretty fast. So thank you for watching TechJotters. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the channel so that you can see more videos like this.